Hi there, it's Jack Welders from Sharp NEC Display Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you about some of our projection solutions. Projection remains the best way to create large screen visualization within a budget-conscious way. Behind us, we've got two models, an LCD model, and we're onto our fourth generation of sealed laser light engine, which means very little dust and no filter, and we can go all the way up to 20,000 lumens. Over the other side, we have our X-Series projectors, and our X-Series projectors are 4K plus, so they're 3840 by 2400. So they're a great way to create a large screen at high resolution at a great price point. So projection remains a popular technology in education, museum, and houses of worship, and projection offers lots of flexibility. We can offer blending, warping, and lots of creative shapes and things that you can't do with other display technologies.